Mag-wakeboard po. Dalawa. Bibihis muna tayo.
Yeah, now let's start. Teach him.
You have to keep your arm like this, okay? And like this, okay? And now, line your pump. Really hard, strong arm. When you start, up, and you balance the ball, okay? When the walk starting, you know, you up and push, okay? Really strong, okay?
I need to wait for the rope to pull.
The tension, you know?
Tension.
Okay? You give the tension, attack! Okay?
Thank you so much. Ready yata.
That sums up for today. Nandun na yung board ko ya. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Mapaalam lang. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Ingat. See you in 2 years. Ingat bro. Ingat.
Babalik na natin itong vest and helmet. Bihis na tayo ligo. Then, uwi. Uwian na. Ay, pahinga. Nararamdaman ko yung sakit ng balikat ko dahil lang beses na binat.